Hey there everyone, welcome aboard. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on Whitebit, one of the most beginner-friendly crypto platforms out there. If you're just stepping into the world of digital assets, this is your launchpad, and we'll make sure the process is smooth, simple, and totally stress-free. We'll walk through everything you need to know, how to create your account, activate your welcome bonuses, fund your wallet, and make your very first crypto purchase, step by step, so you feel confident every click of the way. And here's a little bonus. Register using our special link in the description, and you could unlock up to $6,200 in rewards. Not a bad way to start your crypto journey, right? Ready to get started? Smash that like button, and let's dive in. What is Whitebit? Whitebit is a global cryptocurrency exchange designed to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned traders. It's packed with everything you need to trade, earn, and grow, from quick crypto swaps to advanced trading tools and passive income features. With over 400 trading pairs and offices spanning from Portugal to Australia, Whitebit is a serious player in the crypto space. Here's what makes it stand out. Staking with returns of up to 30% APY. Demo tokens so you can practice trading without risking real funds. Fast and easy verification to get you started quickly. Whitebit's mission is clear: to make crypto simple, secure, and accessible for everyone. And we're here to guide you through your very first steps. Registration made simple. Getting started on Whitebit is super straightforward, even if you're completely new to crypto. Follow these steps and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Step 1. Visit the site. Open your browser on your phone or computer and click the link in our video description. Why that link? It takes you directly to the sign up page and activates your bonus automatically. Step 2. Click sign up. You'll find it in the top right corner. Tap it and a registration form will appear. Step 3. Enter your email. Use a valid email address. You'll need it to receive a confirmation code. Step 4. Set your password. Choose a strong, unique password and store it somewhere safe. You'll use it to log in. Step 5. Add your referral code. In the referral field, type CP6969, also listed in the description. This unlocks up to $6,200 in bonuses. A great boost to start with. Step 6. Accept the terms. Tick the box to agree to Whitebit's terms and conditions. Step 7. Click Continue. You'll receive a 6-digit code via email. Step 8. Verify your email. Check your inbox for the message from Whitebit, copy the code, and paste it into the form. Didn't get it? Be sure to check your spam folder. Step 9. Log into your dashboard. Once verified, you'll be redirected to your account. Enter your email and password, and you're in. Identity verification. Verifying your identity on Whitebit confirms you're a real user, and while it's optional, we highly recommend it. Why? Because it unlocks powerful features like withdrawals up to 100 BTC per day, access to fiat currencies like USD, EUR, and so on, eligibility for additional bonuses and tools. Here's how to complete the standard verification. Go to your account settings and fill out the form. Enter your full name and date of birth. Upload a clear photo of your passport or ID. Take a selfie holding the document along with a handwritten note that says Whitebit.com plus today's date. Submit everything and wait. Most verifications are processed within 24 hours. Once approved, you'll unlock more platform features and gain access to exclusive rewards. Also, don't forget to check the description. We've listed top-rated exchanges, wallets, and crypto tools to help you get started. And be sure to join our Telegram channel where our team shares daily market updates, expert insights, and helpful tips to keep you ahead of the curve. Funding your account and making withdrawals. Before you start trading on Whitebit, you'll need to add funds to your account and know how to take them out when needed. You can deposit either crypto or fiat, USD. And the process is beginner-friendly if you follow these steps. Depositing crypto. Head to your wallet section. Click deposit and select your preferred cryptocurrency. We suggest USDT, a stablecoin ideal for newcomers. Choose the TRC20 network. Low fee, around 30 cents. Copy the wallet address and send funds from your external wallet or another exchange. Depositing USD. In your wallet, switch to fiat currencies. Select USD, click deposit, enter the amount, for example, 500 USD. Add your card details and confirm the transaction. Withdrawing funds, click withdraw, choose your currency, crypto or USD, enter the destination wallet address for crypto or your card number for fiat. Specify the amount and confirm using 2FA. That's a code from your Authenticator app. We'll explain how to set that up in another video. Important tip, always double check the network before sending crypto. A single mistake can result in lost funds, so stay sharp and take your time. Trading on Whitebit. Now let's get to the fun part, trading. Whitebit offers two main ways to trade, and here's how they work. Spot trading. This is the simplest form of trading, buying and selling crypto at the current market rate. Whitebit supports over 250 coins and more than 400 trading pairs like BTC USDT. The fee, just 1/10 of 1%, which is perfect for beginners. Go to the trade section, pick your pair, enter the amount and click buy or sell. The interface is clean and intuitive, with price charts and order options that make trading quick and easy. Futures trading. Looking for something more advanced? Futures allow you to trade with leverage up to 20x. That means with just 100 USDT, you can open a position worth 2,000 USDT. Exciting? Definitely. But it comes with a risk, so proceed with caution. Thankfully, Whitebit offers a demo mode where you can practice without using real money. And we've got a full video on futures trading. Check it out on our channel if you want to learn more. And that's a wrap. Whitebit is a fantastic platform for beginners with fast registration, smooth verification, easy deposits, and clear trading tools. We've laid everything out step by step so you can start your crypto journey with confidence. No confusion. No stress. Use the link in the description to sign up, unlock bonuses up to $6,200, and join us in the world of crypto. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating more helpful content just like this.